Okay, so this video I'm just showing how I cut the pieces on the table saw and what methods I use to recycle the waste that comes out of the table saw, and how I'm planning on getting a finished product by using specific elements of the table saw, like the 45-degree blade, and just some footage of me doing that. Okay, so this is the setup. We got the puppy dog, and we got my next door neighbor's table saw, which I have stolen for some time. Thanks, Nathan. Okay, so what we need to do is, see this exhaust, I need to attach. Usually I just let this go in the garden because it's wood shavings and that's compost, but this, I don't want to just like spew microplastics into the garden. That's like not ideal. So what I've been doing is I take this fabric bag, which lets all the air out but not the particles out. Sweet. So that's good. It's good to go. Then I have these earmuffs that work, and then these earmuffs don't work, but they have a face shield, so that's how we do that. Double earmuff action. Okay, so here you can see me cutting some of the pieces, except you can't really see me, but I do move the camera in a second. Basically, I use the fence to push up against, and then I cut as straight a line as possible. Here we go. And that gives me a nice so then from there, I'm trying to measure at that right angle the square that I will eventually use to make a cube. Clean edge. Okay, so second thing is, once we've got a straight edge, I've drawn a line on each piece to show where the next cut will be. That'll be at 90 degrees, and then I need to measure off of that to get the third cut, and so on. There's probably a quicker way of doing this, but this is the most reliable for me, who does want to do as little maths as possible. So that was my little video of the saw. I got a few pieces out of it, including this one, and I was able to weld and get a nice edge. So this is kind of where I'm at the moment. You can see these are some offcuts that I tested with in the blue and then in the yellow. And then I also have, where is it? Oh, right next to me. I also have a full scale test. As you can see, these pieces are not as square as I was hoping for. So that's definitely something to watch out for. Turns out my measurements were dodgy, but very promising. So